What is recovery after exercise?
Recovery is the process your body goes through to repair and adapt after physical activity. It's not just about resting. Recovery involves a series of active biological processes that help your muscles, joints, and overall system bounce back stronger and healthier. Understanding how recovery works is key to improving fitness and avoiding injury.
Immediate changes the first few hours.
Right after you finish exercising, your body starts repairing micro tears in your muscles and replenishing depleted energy stores. Your heart rate and breathing gradually return to normal. Blood circulation remains heightened to remove waste products like lactic acid. This early recovery phase is crucial for beginning the rebuilding of tissues and maintaining optimal performance.
Muscle repair and growth.
During recovery, your body uses protein to repair damaged muscle fibers. This process, called muscle protein synthesis, leads to stronger and often larger muscles over time. Hormones such as growth hormone and testosterone play a major role in helping tissues regenerate. Consistent recovery allows muscles to adapt, promoting overall strength and endurance.
Replenishing energy and fluids.
Exercise uses up stored energy in the form of glycogen and causes fluid loss through sweat. Post-exercise recovery involves refilling these energy reserves and restoring hydration levels. Consuming carbohydrates, proteins, and electrolytes can accelerate this process, ensuring the body has what it needs for future activity and day-to-day functioning.
Why recovery matters for long-term health.
Proper recovery is essential not just for athletic performance, but for your overall health. It helps protect against overuse injuries, supports your immune system, and improves sleep quality. By giving your body time to adapt, you help ensure steady progress and reduce the risk of fatigue and burnout. Prioritizing recovery is a vital part of every fitness routine.